Hey, this is Dave here at Bud Palmer Auction. Going to give you a preview of what we're auctioning off tomorrow, Tuesday, at the Overstock auction at 1930 South Hoover, Suite 200. It's going to be on the south side of the building, the UCI building on Hoover Road. It's going to be the south side towards the back. There you'll see our dumpster, and right past that, so where you'll go inside. And we've got artwork. And artwork and more artwork. Office chair or two. And artwork that's not framed. More artwork that's not framed. If you want to look at it today, call our office at 316-838-4141 to make sure somebody is here, because we will be in and out today. We'll be here after 8 in the morning, so you can preview it before the 9 o'clock. And some mirrors. There's all kinds of other stuff here too. Nothing behind the caution tape goes, but there's all kinds of decor. All of these are ornamental eggs. I'll show you some in a minute. Like a glass ornament. Here's some bowls. Then here's the ornaments. They're pretty nice. There's a ton of them. And we've got some cooking supplies. We've got some lighting shades. There were a little bit of everything. We got the roller air compressor, the framing machine, another air compressor, drawers for pictures, wood. Come over here, we've got a couple lounger, cart, sawdust collector, another framing machine, some more picture drawers, all kinds of frames, mirrors, artwork, empty boxes, some clothing, a little bit of everything in here. More clothing. Come over here. We've got some kind of cabinets, microwave, sink, more cabinets, designer framing pieces. And come over here. This is kind of difficult to shoot, but we will try and show you enough of this. All kinds of frames. Some assembly required on some of them. Kinds of mirrors. All kinds of cardboard for shipping. More frames. And more frames. Not sure what these are. More mirrors. And more frames. And the forklift does go. The Nissan forklift. More frames and more frames. Easel. All kinds of stuff here. Come over. Like I said, more frames and mirrors, and just all kinds of crazy stuff. I'm not sure what that stuff is. Oh, some dishes. Have dishes in here and some of that. A couple of bed frames. I was gonna say, if you need it, we got it here somewhere. We have the kitchen sink back there already, so I have no clue. All kinds of fasteners galore. Everything to make your any size frame. More framing stuff. I'm assuming this is all framing and mirrors coming through here. There's a couple. Wild mirror. Couple of step stools. I'm not sure. Grizzly air filter. Oh, some kind of carts. He said we're just kind of roaming around here. This is for stretching fabric into frame. Radio, picture frames. I'm not sure what those are. And more fasteners and screws and everything. Come over here, back to frames. Got another forklift. Some trash cans. Some tools. Not sure what this is. Nail guns galore. Cabinets. More nuts and bolts and hooks. It's crazy. So come over here. Oh, we got a few things, a couple of fans, and I think showed you most of everything here. Like I said, we start at 9 o'clock. It'll be a fairly long sale. We are selling a Canon IPF 8400 monster printer. It's serious business. You want to do some nice printing. I have a feeling most of the graphics and the prints, they printed on that thing. It is a very nice printer. Canon does a good job. You're wanting to do some industrial type printing, it will get the job done. And we're selling it also, and maybe a few other things in the office, but just office chairs and desks and stuff. But that's pretty much everything we got. We're going to start at 9 o'clock. You want to come look at it today, call the office, make sure somebody's here, and we will let you look around. See you tomorrow.